Hello everyone, welcome back. Are you on the hunt for a mid-range phone that can actually go head-to-head with the latest flagship devices? And seriously, do you remember the golden era of Nokia? That time when Nokia meant unbreakable and innovation? If you said yes, then get ready to be blown away. Because Nokia is reportedly dropping a monster phone that is going to make you say, okay, I have to buy this. Yes, we are talking about the Nokia Lumia 400 5G. According to leaks, this device is packing a 400 megapixel DSLR level camera and the most powerful mobile processor ever, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. Let's dive deep into the details. You do not want to miss a single second. Let's start. Features of the Nokia Lumia 400 5G. Display. First up, let's talk about the thing we spend the most time staring at, the display. The Nokia Lumia 400 reportedly features a massive 6.89-inch dynamic Super AMOLED 2K display. But it's not just the size that's big. Look at this refresh rate. You get a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling or intensely gaming, everything will feel smooth as silk. And for all the gamers out there, it boasts an incredible 390Hz touch sampling rate. That means instant touch to action, no lag, and for protection, Nokia is apparently giving us the toughest security with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Camera setup. Alright, come closer. This is the phone's biggest USP, the feature that truly makes it a flagship killer. This phone is rumored to be coming with a triple rear camera setup, and the main sensor is a full 400 megapixel DSLR level sensor. Just imagine, 400 megapixels of pure detail. You can print a billboard with these photos. Accompanying it, we get a 100 megapixel ultra-wide, and a stellar 32 megapixel third lens. And for all you selfie enthusiasts, up front, there's a powerful 50 megapixel selfie shooter. Performance. The display and camera are great, but what drives the phone? The processor. And Nokia is holding nothing back. You are getting Qualcomm's newest and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This processor will make everything, from heavy gaming to intense multitasking, super fast. It's a true beast. In the operating system, out of the box, you're looking at the latest Android 16 OS. Battery backup. With such powerful features, you need a powerful battery. Nokia has addressed that concern, too. You get an 8500 mAh massive battery. This isn't just a full day, this could easily last 2 days. And to charge this monster, it has 125-watt super fast charging. Full charge in just a few minutes. Plus, you've got the latest USB Type-C Gen 3 port. Price and launch date. Now for the million-dollar question. What will this monster phone cost? According to the leaks, the estimated price for the Nokia Lumia 400 5G could be around just $849. That is an incredible price point for these specifications. And regarding the launch date, this phone might be dropping in the middle of next year. So, the wait won't be too long.